If you're struggling with your sleep, you might have considered working with a sleep coach. Well, what are the benefits that you can expect? Are they going to give you generic advice or be able to solve your sleep issue completely? Hi, I'm Doron Lazarus, integrative sleep coach and founder of the Sleep Coach Academy. And I wanted to share some insight for potential clients looking into the entire sleep coaching community. Point number one that you need to consider is that not all sleep coaches are created the same. It can be confusing because a lot of people have the word sleep therapist or coach behind their name, but that doesn't mean that they're capable of the same skill set. Some sleep coaches are basically offering sleep hygiene and relaxation advice, and while if that's what you need, that can be helpful, that's very different than an integrative sleep coach that has a lot more tools in their disposal. When you're looking into a sleep coach, there's a number of factors that you want to keep in mind. What is the person's experience? Where were they trained? And what skills do they bring to the table? Have they worked with complex and multifaceted situations, perhaps like your own? And when you're interviewing them, find out what tools and modalities are they using. What happens if their approach doesn't work for you? All these are important questions before you enter that sleep coaching relationship. Once you've found a sleep coach that you really feel is the right fit to help you, here are some of the key benefits that you should expect from that relationship. Number one is a good sleep coach is going to take time getting to know you. Sleep issues don't exist in a vacuum, and to be able to understand the whole person, their background, personality, mindset, and lifestyle is key before a sleep coach can make any recommendations or change. And I think that's a big advantage of why people are going to a sleep coach as opposed to a doctor, is a coach has more time. They're building that rapport, that connection, and that relationship. I believe that good sleep coaching is a partnership, a collaboration. They're not there to tell you what to do. They're able to listen and bounce ideas off of each other. They're there to collaborate and come up with a mutually agreed upon plan that makes sense to you. I think any sleep coach that's too rigid in their approach is not going to achieve long-term success with their client. They have to know how to customize the plan based upon what the client feels resonates with them. A good sleep coach knows when to push their client and challenge them, and at the same time listen, pull back, and resonate with what they're being told. A good sleep coach knows how to problem solve and pivot when things aren't going right, and to be able not to be locked into a certain modality which they might have been trained in, but to be able to think broadly about all of the schools of thought and find the right solution for you. If you feel that your sleep coach is putting you on a conveyor belt of, oh yeah, we're going to go through the same 10 steps that I put every client with, I think some question marks in your mind have to start popping up. Are you the same as every one of their clients? Or do you need an approach that is going to work best in your situation to not waste any time and to get to the root cause of your sleep issue? And that's what I think a real good sleep coach is doing. They are root cause, not symptom focused. A good sleep coach is not focused on getting you to sleep, but they're there to rebalance your body and mind where sleep comes naturally. And you definitely want to find someone who has that root cause big picture in mind, that you're not always chasing your tail running after a good night's sleep. I believe a good coach is taking a holistic view of the entire you, including lifestyle, diet, stress management, work-life balance, relationships. If you feel that your sleep coach is not getting the entire you, I think it's time you need to find someone that sees the big picture. Sleep coaches can be amazing because they're there to hold your hand and support you in the process even when things get challenging. For example, one of the goals that me and my coaches work with is helping people get off of sleeping pills with the doctor's recommendation. And I know from my own firsthand experience that can be a lonely and challenging process to go it alone. Having a sleep coach to guide you and support you in that process can be crucial in coming off the dependency of the sleeping pills for good. As opposed to viewing a sleep coach as one small part of your overall sleep picture, I think a good sleep coach really comes in as the manager. They're able to oversee everything. They're able to collaborate with other therapists and doctors and make recommendations on seeing other specialists if that's what's going to be best for you. A good sleep coach is open to learning from their mistakes, appreciates hearing feedback, and is able to pivot on a dime to give you the support that you need through your healing process. If you are working with a sleep coach and you found the right fit, do be patient, as oftentimes change can take some time to be able to recalibrate your body and mind to come together for that long-lasting night's sleep. It's important that you find someone that matches your personality and your energy, that you feel is a good fit, you feel comfortable sharing, and someone you really feel that hears you. Great sleep coaching can make a world of difference, especially if you have not seen results in the more conventional channels. I think a good sleep coach knows how to combine both the tools of mind and behavior, as well as an understanding and balances in your body. I know for us to open up our program and train our coaches in snoring, apnea, restless leg syndrome, nightmares, as well as the functional medicine side of things was really a game changer to be able to bring all of those tools to our clients. What has been your experience? Have you seen success working with a sleep coach, or just a waste of time? Share your points in the comments below. And if you are interested in finding a sleep coach that can match your issue, your personality, and get the results that you're looking for, I will also include a link to my calendar below, and we can set up a free consultation to be able to guide you in the right direction of your sleep journey. This has been Doron Lazarus, integrative sleep coach, founder of the Sleep Coach Academy, and I look forward to seeing you on the inside.